Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will learn about our bulk action method. Using bulk action you can update or delete your catalog item copy or members in a bulk depending on some criteria. To access this section at first, please log into your library using your username and password. Once logged in, from the top right corner click on Dashboard menu. Now, from the Manage menu, click on Bulk Actions. Here you need to click on this new bulk action button. In the select action type form, you can see that the default action type is the change media category. Here media means your catalog item. However, you can choose other options if you click on this drop down menu. Here you can see that there are some different criteria for media and some different criteria for media copy and for member. And depending on this criteria, you can apply the bulk action. At first, I will show you regarding the media. If you want to update all the media category in a bulk, then choose this option and click on Next. Here you need to specify at least one condition based on you want to update the media category. However, you can choose multiple conditions if you want. At first, I am selecting the media type as books. Now, you can select the category from which you want to update the media. The next one is the ISBNs. Here you can enter the single or multiple ISBN numbers separated by a comma, or you can import them from a CSV file if you click on this link. The next one is the created between date of the medias. Here you can enter the date from to. Then you can select if the medias are active or not. Then you can select if the medias are published or not, and if the medias are circulated or not. After choosing your preferred options, please click on the Next button. Here you need to enter the destination category that you want to update the media with. Then click on Next button. Now you need to confirm your action. Please turn this on and click on Confirm. And your bulk action has been created. Here you can see that 5 items has been affected. That means I have updated the category of this 5 items from example category to the book. Now, if you want to use the other option, then click on this new bulk action button again. And you can choose the other option and update your medias like the one that I have showed now. However, if you want to remove the media titles from your catalog, then choose the Remove Media Titles option and click on Next. Here you need to specify at least one condition based on you want to remove the media from your catalog. Also, you can choose multiple conditions if you want. I'm selecting media type and the created between date. Then enter Next. Here you can see that the associated copies and associated media bookings will be deleted by default. However, you can delete the related authors, publishers or categories if you want. Then click on this Next button. Here you can review your changes. Then to confirm your action, please turn on this and click on this Confirm button, and your medias will be deleted from your catalog. Regarding the media copy and member, I will show you this on another video. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope it is helpful.